Let me borrow some tools, bro. All right, here you go. You've got to be kidding me. This is your toolbox? From neighbor to neighbor, considers my gift to you. This is the VEVOR 18-inch 3-tier 5-tray metal toolbox. User's manual, make sure you reference that for all the important maintenance, how to use, but it's a toolbox. Should be very simple, right? So the weight of this, without any tools in there, is 8.6 pounds. Okay, made of solid steel construction. And what I really like about this is it has this built-in lock code that you can put a lock in here, so you can lock it in place. So let's say children and kids won't be able to get into it because some tools might be dangerous, you know. So the max load capacity is 13.2 pounds. That's when it's filled. That's 13.2 pounds is the weight of the tools that you can put in there, all right? And it features 0.5 millimeters reinforced steel plating. All right, so this is the handle right here. You got the VEVOR logo. So here's how you simply use it. Pull it until it unveils the tiers. And the top one has a folding roof. Folding convertible roof, it looks like. So here's a better look at it, okay? You got wide enough space, especially down here. All metal construction. Let's see what we can fill this with. And here's what the side is. Show you the cross linkages. Okay. All right, let me fold this back up. And then we'll see what kind of tools we can fill this with. All right, let's see what kind of tools we have. Check it out. Look at that organization. Doesn't get better than that. Got my screwdriver set right here, wrenches, Allen wrench, hammer, all kinds of different tools. Got pliers, scissors, knives. And this is the perfect toolbox that you can take with you anywhere. To the garage, around the house. It's perfect. I love it.